Hey, have you ever wondered how to collect hardware information in Linux?
Yes, it's essential to know the hardware components of your system to ensure optimal performance.
I heard that there are various commands and tools to collect hardware information in Linux. Do you know any?
Yes, there are many commands and tools available to collect hardware information in Linux. For instance, lscpu, lshw, hwinfo, lspci, lscsi, and more.
What kind of information can we get from these commands and tools?
We can get information about the CPU, processing units, hardware components, connected devices, block devices, disk space, RAM, and much more.
That's a lot of information. Which command or tool do you recommend to start with?
I recommend starting with lscpu. It provides detailed information about the CPU and processing units.
That's helpful. Do you have any other recommendations?
Sure, lshw provides hardware information about multiple components, hwinfo provides a comprehensive hardware report, lsspci lists PCI buses and details about connected devices, lscsi provides information on SCSI/SATA devices like hard drives, and lsblk shows block devices, including partitions.
Wow, that's a lot of commands and tools. Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is dmitacode. It provides SMBIOS data structures, including processor info and RAM details.
That's interesting. Can we get virtual hardware information too?
Yes, many virtual files in /proc contain hardware information. For example, we can explore CPU and memory details using cat/proc/hwinfo.
That's helpful. Any other command or tool you want to share?
Yes, hparm fetches information about SATA devices like hard disks, and insmod is a program for managing kernel modules.
Thanks for sharing. I learned a lot about collecting hardware information in Linux.
You're welcome. It's essential to collect hardware information to ensure optimal performance and troubleshoot issues.